All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. You know how you tweet things and you say things, you might want something? Well, Christmas isn't here yet, but SUPCASE is. So I actually tweeted this verbatim a few days ago, and they sent this out ASAP. I had no idea. I love surprises. They showed their brand new case for the 14 Plus in blue. And I tweeted this verbatim. I said on my Twitter feed, I need this in blue for my blue iPhone 14 Plus ASAP. This is fire. And they even put the little fire symbol right there. Folks, hit the link in the description. Grab this case because it is on point. I appreciate you, SUPCASE. This is boss. These are boss moves right here. You talk about the word support. And things like this mean more than like when you create on YouTube. Stuff like this means a lot. Like it literally, it does. If you're a creator, you want to build a relationship, but you also want to have some fun and you want to know that they see you. If you're just being honest with yourself, this is crazy right here. We know the drill on how this case goes, folks. This is a beautiful case. Pause and look at the instructions. It's just that this new blue color is on point. You know, you get the case and holster and everything right here. So if you're in the area where you might need to really strap up, they've got you covered with this right here. This is the case that we all know and love. These cases are really affordable too in comparison to other cases that come out. But just taking a look at the case here on the back, it's so beautiful. Oh my God, this is crazy, man. I totally was not expecting this. And the emotions that you see here are totally 100%. You know how I get down on my channel. I keep it all the way real so you can get the first impressions just like me. I literally walked to the mailbox. I was like, what is this? I said, oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is dope right here. I love this. So looking around the back, you've got that same carbon fiber faux look right there. You got MagSafe in here, remember? And you got the kickstand that pops up. And it is in this beautiful blue color. Tell me this is not boss. Oh man, this is so freaking dope. Just the experience, folks, is off the charts. I'm telling you, it is off the charts. So coming around this side of the case, you got your spot here that covers up the vibrate mute switch. Then you got your volume rocker coming along the bottom here. You've got ports open and port covered for the charge and sync. Then you come on this side here and you got your cover for the power button. You've got a little bit of branding down here with SUPCASE. And on the front, the also famous blue trim around because it's the blue version. Oh, so dope. You easily can see how to peel this off. If you haven't had this case before, it gives you clear instructions right here. So we're gonna peel this off. It's a quick push down and it literally pops out. Now this is a military grade standard drop test case. So it's gonna protect your device in every way possible. So it comes with a built-in screen protector, and sometimes they also have these without the screen protector. Let's go ahead and get this off right here, get that beautiful sound of peeling it off. Oh, you gotta love it. Make sure you clean your screen before you put this in and pop it in like so. And then it is on, and we'll peel the front portion off here in just a second. And one thing I like about these cases that they bring out, they actually work if you have a tempered glass or screen protector already on there in unison with their screen protectors that are actually on there. So if you're a person that goes in and out of cases and things like that, and you're unsure, you can definitely keep your screen protector on there. So now that it's in the case itself, this is so boss, man. The color match is like perfect. So let's peel off the front one here. Woo! I love it. And so as we get in here, obviously this phone has Touch ID or Face ID. So touch sensitivity should be on and popping just like any other case. Works very well. It's also wireless charging because you have MagSafe. Now again, this does have a kickstand right here. So if I'm watching a movie, boom, I can sit it up like this and have a full-fledged movie going with my 14 Plus. This is so lovely. Snaps back in place, tucks away. Now if you're a person who loves MagSafe products, which I do have several, and if you don't want to use it, if you want to have like, this is a kickstand, if you want to hold your device with one of these, pop it right on. You see how strong that magnet is, and it is the real deal MagSafe, folks. This is on and popping. I'm so happy that they finally did it like this, man. This blue is crazy. Now, what about wireless charging, Jay? Well, let me get my wireless charger. Come on, wireless charger, where are you at? I have MagSafe wireless chargers, but I also have regular wireless chargers. And a lot of people ask about these. Do they actually work with these? And here's your answer. Well, there you go. Looks like it's charging to me. I tell you what, folks, it doesn't get any better than this. These are the experiences of being a creator. Like this is a good experience for being a creator. Like as a creator and person who does content, I'm telling you folks, experience like this will just let you know that they see you, they're listening to you. You can have fun with this. You can get great products. And I'm not just saying that because they sent this over. I purchased a lot of things, folks, but knowing that they saw me is nice because I support their brand in every way I could possibly support them. Even on my Pixel 7 Pro right now, as you can see, look, SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro with the kickstand. I'm telling you, this is the real deal, man. I mean, SUPCASE, this is a boss move right here. This is a way, you got me locked in now, SUPCASE. I mean, you know I wasn't going anywhere, but come on. You know this is a boss move right here that you guys did. I love this, man. This is crazy. It's your man, Jay. Hit the link in the description. Grab you one of these in this new blue color to match your brand new blue iPhone 14 Plus. They also have it for the other devices, so be sure to check everything down there. Hit that link and go searching. Go hook it up. It's your man, Jay. We are out.